It's 9 a.m. We're in Sundance Park in Peoria, Arizona, suburb of Phoenix. I've been out for quite a while, headed out right at daybreak, and let's see, where did I go to? I went to McDonald's for coffee, Jack in the Box for breakfast, and I even went to the Walmart neighborhood market to pick up some groceries. One of the most common questions I get about the trike is whether I built it myself. I didn't. I'm not that mechanical, but I can do some things. When I got my first trike, about 7 years ago, I didn't have much confidence in my mechanical abilities, so I decided I'd have experts and I would pay them to do just about everything. I could put air in the tires, but that was just about it. And then little by little, I started doing stuff. It was kind of nice. And it's kind of zen to do tricycle maintenance. I have a shelf dedicated for little stuff like cleaning and lubing the chain, stuff like that. I also invested in a little, it's not a trike stand, it's just a regular car stand. I carry along some simple tools and some spare tubes, which I've used every once in a while. Nice to be out there, out in the field, and not have to worry about stuff. Of course, if I have a major mechanical breakdown, I need someone with a truck to haul this thing, because it's big and heavy, won't fit in a trunk. And I can't pick it up and put it over my shoulder, like a 10-speed. My father worked for the Ford Motor Company in St. Paul, and we always had new cars, always had them serviced. He never worked on cars. And when my career got successful enough for me to start buying new cars, I learned that that was the way to go. Have experts work on them, and then go to the golf course. But like I say, it is kind of nice and sort of zen to do maintenance on your own tricycle. So I'll do it. It really doesn't need much, and I just had an expert look at the disc brakes, and he said they're going to be fine for a very long time. Thanks, Austin. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.